And for our last test, which is for nominal data, or the only test for nominal data introduced in the undergraduate level, so the chi-square test, the variable should be measured at the categorical level. There should be independence of observations, and the data is not normally distributed or not assumed to be normally distributed. So you have this one as the problem. Kate Sanders studied the effect of agricultural contaminants on the stream fish population in Indiana, April 2012. Specially designed traps collected samples of fish at each of the 4 stream locations. Did the differences in agricultural contaminants found at the 4 locations alter the proportion of the fish population by gender? Use 0.05 level of significance. So this is now the data set. So we have stream locations A, B, C, D, and we have the fish gender here at male and female as well. Okay, so I transformed this data into this one where A is where 2 is the male results and 1 is your female results, or at least gender for the fishes, for A, B, C, and D. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 here is your stream location, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so that in your data here, when your SPS is here, you can just type here stream location, and then fish gender. And so can have 0, 0, 0, 0. And then for label here, since both are nominal, you can just add 1 for stream A, 2 for stream B, 3 for stream C, and 4 for stream D. Click OK. And then for gender, you can have 1 for female and 2 for male. And that's click OK. And then both are nominal. Okay, so stream location, nominal, fish gender is also nominal. And you go back to our data set here. And then we copy your data. So for stream A, go to your data view, then just click stream location and fish gender A for A, and then for B, copy this as well, B, then for C, and lastly for D. And then analyze descriptive statistics, cross tabs, stream location for row or column, and fish gender for row or column. And then statistics, just click chi-square, then continue, and then OK. And this is now your data. So stream location, fish gender, 41, 49, 46, 44, 36, 49, and 44, 39. Which is actually similar to the table created here. 49. 41, 49. 41, 49, 46, 44, 36, 49, 44, 39. So this one here. And then you have your person chi-square, which is 0.478. So there is no significant association between stream location and gender, because this is 0.47. Okay? So the differences in agricultural contaminants found at the 4 locations did not alter the proportion of fish population by gender because there is no significant difference. Okay, so this ends the different types of tests used in different types of statistical tests used in hypothesis testing as introduced in class. And just want to say that uh, all examples in this problem are taken from the book Modern Statistics with Microsoft Excel 6th edition by Anderson et al. And I used Google Sheet instead of Excel file, and I used SPSS instead of PSD.